Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Detail Matters. In this episode, I'll be unboxing our May 2021 glove box while using the products on Dodge's new addition to their truck line, the TRX. So let's get started. Okay, first we're going to start off with the tires, wheel wells. I already rinsed this down. That's the first thing you should do. Just give this a good rinse. Flush everything out of the wheel wells as you can. I'm going to grab the included SuperClean all wheel cleaner. I'm going to spray this directly on the face of the wheels, rims, whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to spray it on the tires. You can. Sometimes I use a rubber and tire cleaner. You can use this on both if you want. When you spray this on here, you're going to let it sit for 30 seconds, agitate it, and then rinse it off. So let me spray this on the rubber and tires. Good. And then the SuperClean, make sure that's on. Real quick. This comes out really thick, as you can see. If you don't want to use it out of this bottle, I sometimes put it in IK sprayer. Just got to make sure it's pumped. Even coverage like that. I'm gonna get it on there. Like I said, let it sit for 30 seconds. Then we're gonna, during that time, we'll agitate it, then rinse it. But during that time, also included is a red drill brush for your cordless drill. We're going to use this on the tires only, the rubber. I will also use this on my rubber floor mats if I have them. I'm not going to use this on the paint surface. I know you guys have common sense, but I'm just throwing this out there. I'm not going to use this on the rim, face of the rims. It's going to scuff. This is pretty gnarly stuff, this nylon right here. Like, it's aggressive. It's made to clean the rubber and the floor mats and stuff like that. You could use it on carpet. I tend to go with the lesser aggressive ones on those, like the yellows or the greens. The red, I stick to rubber or my floor mats. So, speed 1 on my cordless, depending on what kind of cordless you have. Halfway through, this one reads from 0 to 20. I'm going to go to 12. Hold 2 hands, lightly work the rubber. Really slow, easy. Avoiding the face of the rim. Easy. Work it slow. If you don't like this, if you're a little scared of it, you just want to use it on your rubber floor mats, that's fine. Use your wheel tools, grab your wheel brush, and then just scrub away. Same concept. Perfect. Now I'm going to jump to where we sprayed the SuperClean. Agitate it. Just make sure the product's getting into all the areas. Again, my wheel is cool to the touch. Let that product sit for like 30 seconds. Agitate it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse all this off thoroughly, making sure I get all that product out of there. Okay. It's that easy. Now I'm going to air this off with our Blaster Sidekick, which is also available on our member market. So it's super dry for our next process here. So I'm going to get this all dry. Hold your ears. Okay, now that SuperClean made easy work of cleaning up our wheels, we are going to use CarPro's Perl to protect the rubber itself. This product you do not have to dilute when you're using on rubber, so I'm just going to spray straight out of the bottle or pour on your applicator pad and apply. If you do use it to plastic trim, you can dilute it 1 to 3. If you're going to use it on your interior leather and vinyl, you're going to dilute it about 1 to 5. So just keep that in mind. For right now, we're going to protect this rubber with this UV protection, and I'm not going to dilute it. I'm just going to spray it on here. I don't always put a sprayer in here. I'm just doing it so because these have these big rubber nubs on here, and I can't get in there really well. So just to make easy work of this, I put this on and I spray it. So just a quick little shake up here. I'm going to go around the top of the tire. Get all those little rubber nubs. Then, to do this part, like I do on cars or low profile wheels, the included 3x5 applicator pad. Just a couple squirts on there. Just gonna lightly wipe that in. I'm gonna go in up and down motions, especially around these letters, just to make sure I have even coverage. Get that looking good. I'm gonna go over these nibs, but hold on, we'll address all this excess in a second. Just go over them, the top of them. One other thing I like to do, especially on these bigger tires, is hit this first top layer. Just gives it that clean look when your client or you walk up to your vehicle. It just looks good. And then I'll move the car forward to get that bottom little section. Okay, so now all this excess. Grab a brush. I labeled this brush Shine. I don't use this on anything else because I don't want this product getting anywhere it shouldn't. I'm just gonna get all that product and work it in nicely, easily. While I'm doing this, one funny thing about these Dodge TRXs, if you look under the hood, you pull up the engine cover, there's a picture of a T-Rex eating a Raptor, the dinosaur. So I guess that's the response to the Ford Raptor there. Just kind of funny. Good thing about this CarPro Perl is this stuff will, here in the Midwest, I've used it on trucks and cars, and I've seen it stay on there for, you know, about 3 months. And in the Midwest, we get crazy weather all the time. Then what I'll do is I'll come back with like a throwaway towel, lightly wipe that. I know we're just talking about tires, but I feel like if the tires are on point, it just brings the whole car together. So it's worth that extra time. Again, if you have low profile wheels or client has a sports car or something, typically just going with the applicator and you're on to the next. I like to, if you have the luxury, I like to let this product sit overnight and then I'll come back down and do a quick wipe. Some people like the shiny look, so if you like it, then don't give it a wipe. That's it, super easy. Might grab a towel. It's one thing you have to realize, especially if you're mobile or you're outside your garage, if you're spraying like I just did and the wind's blowing, just keep in mind which way the wind is going so then you don't spray all over the side of your vehicle. But I'll usually come back, wipe the wheel face down. Boom. Beautiful, protected. On to the next. Okay, now that we have the wheels addressed, it's time to protect the paint surface. So just to keep everybody up to speed, we also washed the vehicle and we decontaminated it, meaning iron X'd it and also clay barred it and then dried it off thoroughly in preparation for our next steps here with the included Malco Accelerate. Now this product is a polish and protectant in one, so it's an easy one-step process where you can fix some light marring in your paint surface and then also add protection at the same time. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can do this. First, we gave you from Buff and Shine this applicator pad. I primed the pad, and like you heard me say before, I primed the pad, I put product on here and I moved it around just to make sure I have even coverage of the Accelerate on there. Now, I'm just going to put 2 little drops. See how thin that is? You can also do this in spray, so you could spray it on there if you would like. So now that I have it on this product, I'm going to work a small 2x2 section going right to left and then up to down. Really, really easy. Man, my chair really needs some grease. So see how I'm going over this overlapping motions. And you know what's really good about this product as well is that since it does have some abrasives in there to, you know, fix some light scratches, marring in the paint surface, is in these door cups, especially on the driver or passenger door where people go to open it and their rings or their nails touch and it's very hard to get a polisher or something in there. Easy. Just use your applicator, work the product in there, and that's it. So since this product also, it's almost becoming opaque kind of, as you guys can see, I don't know if you're catching that on camera, but So it goes on very smooth and you don't really see it start hazing up, but it will start just a little bit, and then you can remove it if you wanted to. Say you're in a perfect environment, you're in your garage, there's not a lot of dust or anything like that, you could do your whole car and then come wipe it off. I like to do small sections, clean it off, and then go on to the next. So to do that, we included this 500 GSM Plush microfiber towel. Checking, fold in fours, and then just remove. It's that easy. It is that easy. Malco nailed it with this new product. So this just came to market, so you guys are one of the first to be able to test this product out. I had to keep my mouth shut for a while I was testing it and using it on vehicles, but I'm happy you guys finally have it. So that's one way to do it. Hand application. Now, if you feel comfortable, you can use a machine, a rotary or a DA. I'm going to use today, just to give you guys an example, I'm going to use my Rupes 15. I have the white polishing pad. You know, we can dive deeper into this if you want on polishing techniques. Just comment below what you guys would like to see. We can adjust the pad. So I can go for a more aggressive pad if I want to correct more, right? But still use the same product. It's just a matter of playing with my different pads, a more aggressive pad, but this is a polishing pad. This is like a finishing pad. So just to show you guys, again, I'm gonna work in a 2x2 section. I'm gonna go up and down, overlapping motions, and then side to side, overlapping motions. 2 to 4 passes, you don't have to do much. I prime this pad already, just like we did the applicator. Put the product on here, rub it in, a little shake. Look how liquidy this is. That's why a lot of people like to use sprayers on there. Close that up, out of my way. I like to just dab it just a little bit. I'm gonna turn my polisher all the way down to 1. I'm just gonna work this in a little bit. We'll work this small section. Now once I have the product on the paint itself and it's not slinging anywhere, I might bump this up to about 2 to 3. That's all you need. Nice and slow. You see, I'm not putting a lot of pressure. I'm letting the product in the pad do its thing, the machine. That's it. And then same step, grab your 500 GSM microfiber towel and just wipe that off. So if you feel comfortable using machine, I feel you get better results using the machine. However, you're still gonna get great results if you do it by hand. It's just really where your comfort level is. So that's it. We're gonna do this whole truck and get it protected. I'm saving time, but I'm still adding protection, right? So I'm doing it in one step. Polish it out and protect it. I don't have to come back with a wax. Now, if you wanted to, you can come back, you know, next week or whenever you do your weekly washes, bi-weekly washes, whatever you guys do, and use a topper. Meaning I could put another layer of wax on top of this if I wanted to, or put another layer of wax, use the Accelerate and do it by hand on top of this again, just adding protection to it, keeping that gloss looking really good. So there you have it, guys, clean and shiny. That concludes this episode of Detail Matters. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up below. And if you have any detailing related questions, comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that alert icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, happy detailing.